We're here today at Aviation. Now you'll be able to actually get accredited for your type endorsements for the heavy lift aircraft such as the P20 behind us. This particular platform here do aerial application, specialised for distribution of aerial pesticides, insecticides, herbicides and fertilisers. Us at X Aircraft fully accredit ACE Aviation courses. That means you have full manufacturer support of whatever you're going to do, from using the system to maintenance and the upkeep of the systems. We'll be able to show you how to actually make the whole system work for you, become profitable for you, and how to actually apply and really make the results work. So we'll focus on spray patterns, droplet testing, spray drift, all of that is all taken in consideration.
The course has been great. Even after the course, they're saying, how can we help? Call us if you need help.
Anyone who wants to get in on the ground floor of such an amazing technology, this would be a fantastic course.